Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to hide the Facebook active status. So if you guys want to go ahead and turn off and hide or Facebook active status, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, all we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Facebook application and then go ahead and log onto your preferred accounts. Now, once you're here, let's launch our Messenger applications. And what we need to do from here is to go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top left corner. Now, once we're here, let's tap on settings on the gear icon right there. And let's go on over to the active status. Now, if you want to go ahead and hide your Facebook active status, all we need to do is to turn this off. So that, of course, it's basically not gonna show when you're active. And hide your active status. So if you do have this turned on, I would like you guys to turn this off altogether. Tap on, turn off again, to successfully hide your Facebook active status. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And take care.